Welcome back to the Crypto Mystery Cash channel. Uh, if you're new, just subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, be the step with the channel, and like if you want. So, today I'm going to speak about listing dates and the most uh, closest project to be listed. So, as I said in my previous videos, there there will be many who will be listed. There will be around 30 to 50 coins till the new year who will be listed from the Telegram tapping games. So you are welcome to join to my crypto journey. Join to my Telegram group. Uh, you will find many valuable links there to join in the upcoming project. So as you can see, uh, there is a many, but first the hamster combat, which I represented, nothing new, but the season 2 is just begin. So even if you join the late stages, it's not late to join in the second season. So as we know, uh, 80% will be given to the old users and of course to the exchanges, those who will stake BNB or some uh, uh, lock product to earn hamster coins. So but the interesting thing is if you come to my airdrop and see there is a locked there is a locked sorry guys, uh, locked or coins who is on vesting. So this vesting process is about 10 months. So even if you join the second season, the season is very easy. You just go to mine cards, buy some cards, and the mining will begin. So in the second season also will matter the 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 profit per hour, how much diamonds you can produce per hour, and of course how much uh, you will collect. So uh, if you ask me, maybe you can earn double in the second season. Look guys, the hamster combat is not like dogs or the other airdrops. For example, dogs release all their coins to the users. They give all the coins and they sell the coins, and now the price is going down and down. With the hamster coin, that will not happen because it's uh it's 75% given distributed, but is also 20% locked, and another 25% who will be for the second for the season 2. That's mean this coin maybe will be listed on, I believe will be listed on 0.7 dollars per coin. uh, Even if he is listed 0.5, it's still achievement, but he will not end like dogs. So when the time comes for the second season, to the airdrop will be given, the coin price will rise. Again, uh, when the vesting period will end, of course, when the coins will be released, the coin will go up. If you ask me, he will go at least 5 times up in just 5 to 10 months. So see on hamster combat like long-term investment. So I have just said I will pick the closest listings today. Uh, First, what we have uh, after after hamster appear on Binance on other exchanges, uh, there was more than 30 300 million users. So if you can imagine, just Binance have around 200 million, maybe less. So with the hamster combat, they gain another 100 million new users. Also, get another millions of new users. The same remains for Bybit and the others. So, what happened? 3 days ago, after this was achieved, there was a conference between the exchanges, and every single one of them approve a certain amount of investment for upcoming projects who will be listed on the ton. So as I said in the previous videos, this is the ton revolution. Uh, and this project is so successful and gain the is is successful and will be in the future successful because behind them there is their massive communities. So uh, also there is the pre-market who gives them uh, opportunity to be listed, or even if some coin is not there on the pre-market, still get chance to be listed. Not every coin will appear just on the pre-market and then will be listed like major, or I can find more. So in the for week or two, the top market will be listed. Also, card is already listed. I will show you, and the bloom. So I will pass link in description. It's easy, guys. It's just need daily sign up, and that's it. Nothing else. There is the game. If you want to play, play. And they obviously cooking something into the bot. And just join and claim this free airdrop. From some airdrop you will earn $50, but from some maybe even $500. Not even thousand is excluded. So in the meanwhile, also the top coins is in progress in listing. Uh, this one. So uh, the airdrop is free, of course. Just need to sign up. I will pass. I will pass. I will pass the daily combo into the group if you want to claim more, to earn more coins. Also, there is some videos to watch, and just click on the airdrop. Your point is calculating, but don't rush. Just resolve first the daily combo, first the daily login, claim, come to my Telegram group, ask for the daily combo, Sorry, there is a 30 seconds. I must wait for the reward. With the money, buy some cards, upgrade them, and sorry guys, something. My phone is blocked. Let's try again. So now it's working. And after you resolve the daily combo is here. You must hit 3 cards. After that, just go on airdrop and claim. As you can see, I have claimed all 3, 6, 9, 10 claims. I have 10 or 11 claims. I cannot see clearly. And in the end, you will get the certain amount of coins. So also the cuts will be listed as I said. The cuts is already listed. Let me show you. There was a fair launch event and that happened and the coin is listed. So now it's just a matter of time when the airdrop will be released. So the cuts, uh, if you ask me how much you can earn, don't see the fair launch and the price now and how much cuts you have in the bot. This is not coins. This is points. So in the end, I think they will add 3 zeros, 4 zeros, maybe 6 zeros to your amount of cuts points in the bot. That's nobody knows how the distribution will be. So join. The listing is in few days or 1 week. Uh, I don't have seen some news, but the good thing is that the coin is listed. So the next is Bloom and Tom Market, and of course for the others I will make some other videos. So if you want to find more content, come to my Telegram group. I'm always there. Ask some questions. Maybe we'll won some giveaway, some reward. If you need some advice, anything, guys, I'm always there. The chat is open. Just don't pass the links. That's the only rule. Uh, See ya. Good luck and see ya.